Hey Harry, this is your vacation time. Right, I know this is your favorite season of the year. Oh, hey, which is your favorite season of the year? Let me guess, isn't it the summer season? Well, my favorite season is also the same. Summer is the warmest season of the year. It is known for its longer days and shorter nights. In India, summer starts by the month of April and lasts till the month of June. Haven't you heard of the mighty summer sunshine? This season is well known for its scorching heat and bright sunny days. Well, stories apart. My little friend Harry is curious to know about the summer season. In the previous session, we learnt about the lovely spring season. In today's session, let's create background and story animations for the summer season. We will also learn to animate the sun. Excited? Well, let's get started. First, open Scratch Junior. Here, you are introduced to the home page of Scratch Junior. Click on the home icon to enter into My Projects. Here you can see the project Home Sweet Home that you have already created. Let's go through this beautiful project once more to see what we have done in the previous session. For that, click on the project Home Sweet Home, and now to view the whole project, click on full screen mode icon on top of the stage. Ta-da! So here we have created a beautiful background for the spring season, where we have given two different colors to the background. Then we placed a house, some trees, clouds, flowers, butterfly and the sun to show the spring season, also known as the seasons of flowers. Now click on the exit full screen mode icon. Now let's help Harry to know about the summer season. For that, let's add one more page to the project. Click on the plus sign on the right side of the stage and a new page appears just like this. First, we have to remove the character tick. Click on the character tick and then click on the cross mark. Now we are all set to start. Let's start with the background. Click on the background icon right on top of the stage to open the background list available on Scratch Junior. Here also, we will create a separate background. For that, let's click on this blank background. Now click on the paintbrush tool. We have already discussed that summer is the hottest season of all the seasons, where the sky is clear and the land is dry. So first, let's divide the whole background into two. One will be the clear summer sky and the other will be the dry land. For that, we need to click on the rectangle shape from the shape tools placed on the left side. Let's select the color light blue from the colors available on Scratch Junior. Now we have to draw an outline for the sky. Click and drag the mouse to draw the outline. Now to fill the light blue color inside the outline for the sky, click on the fill color tool and then click inside the rectangle. Now for the other half, let's select this green color that represents sand. During summer, the land will be dry and sandy as there won't be enough rain. After clicking on the cream color from the colors available, once again click on the rectangle shape and then draw the outline. Click on the fill color tool. To fill the cream color inside the rectangle, click inside the rectangle. Our background is ready. Now click on the tick button. Next, we have to place the house just like we did for the spring season. Don't you remember the beautiful house of our little friend Harry? Click on the plus sign to the left side of the stage and open the character list. Then from the character list, click on the house and click on the tick button. Drag and place the house to the middle of the background. What next? Yes, the trees. Click on the plus sign on the left side to view the character list. Click on the same tree that we have used for the spring season. Then click on the tick button. Place it to the left side of the stage. Now it's time to increase the size of the tree. Do you remember the block that we have used in the previous session to grow the tree? Yes, you are right, the grow block. For that, click on the purple colored looks block. Then click on the second block, the grow block. Drag and place it in the workspace. Click on it once to increase the size of the tree. Then move and drop it away from the workspace. See, the size has increased. Let's adjust the position of the tree too. Now, let's add one more tree to the background. For that, repeat the same steps. Click on the plus sign to the left side. Click on the tree. Click on the tick button and place it to the other right side of the background. Now let's add the grass. As we have discussed, the land is dry during the summer season and therefore the plants are also dry. So we have to change the color of the plant from green to orange to represent dry grass. Click on the plus sign to the left side. Click on the character plant and then click on the paintbrush tool on top. Select the orange color from the colors available. Click on the fill color tool and then click inside the character plant to fill the orange color. Click on the tick button to complete the action. And let's place the character over here next to the tree on the left. Next we have to add some grass. And for that, click on the plus sign. The character list appears. Here we can see this yellow tall grass. Click on the character and then click on the tick button. Place the character in front of the house. Like this. The grass is too big. So let's reduce the size of the grass. Click on the looks block. Click on the shrink block. Drag and drop it in the workspace. Click on it once. Now move the block away from the workspace. Our grass has reduced in size. It's time to add some flowers. Click on the character list. During the summer season, we can see sunflowers. As we don't have a sunflower character available on Scratch Junior, let's select this yellow daisy that looks like a sunflower. Click on the character daisy and click on the tick button. Let's place it here on the stage. Let's add one more flowering plant to the background. But do you know what flowering plants are? Flowering plants are the plants that give flowers. Go to the character list. Let's select this character, Daffodil. Now let's change the color from yellow to orange. Click on the character from the list, then click on the paintbrush tool. Click on the color orange from the colors available and then click on the fill color tool. Click on the flower to change the color. Now click on the tick button to complete the action. Let's place the plant over here. Now it's time to reduce the size of the plant to match the size of the other characters. Click on the plant, then click on the looks block. From the looks block, click on the shrink block. Drag and place it in the workspace and click on it twice. Now move the block away from the workspace. Wow, our plant has reduced in size. Let's place it properly in the background. There is no need to add more plants and flowers, as this is the summer season. Now it's time to add the main character to the background, the sun. Click on the plus icon to view the character list. Next, click on the character sun and then click on the tick button. Now let's place the sun over here on top left corner. Now we need to add movements to the sun. We know that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. To show the movement of the sun from east to west, first we have to click on the yellow triggering block. Click on the character sun. Then from the triggering block, click and drag the start on green flag and place it over here in the workspace. Next, click on the grid lines option placed on the top of the stage. Now click on the blue motion block and click on the first block, move right block. Place it next to the start on green flag. To move the sun from left to the right corner, it has to pass 20 grids. Just count to check it. So click on the move right block placed on the workspace and change the number 1 to 20 by clicking on 2 and 0 from the number pad over the right corner. Now we have to close the grid. For that, click on the grid icon. Then to stop the movement of sun after moving along 20 grids, click on the red end block, drag and place it to the move right block on the workspace. To check the movement, click on the green flag icon on the top of the stage like this. See, our sun is moving from left to right. Wow! We finished the animation. Now let's see the whole background along with animation. For that, click on the full screen mode icon from the top icons placed above the stage. To see the movement of the sun, click on the green flag. Wow! This sunny season remembers me of having cold ice cream. Summer is the best for having ice creams. Yummy! I think Harry will be happy to see this beautiful background. Thus, we have successfully created the summer background. Let's recollect what we have done today. We have created a warm background. Then we placed the characters. We also learned how to increase and reduce the size of characters using the grow block and shrink block from the looks block. Finally, we learned how to move the sun from left to right using move right block from the motion block. And we also learned to use the end block. Now, click on the exit full screen mode icon placed on top left corner of the stage to exit the full screen mode. Now, to change the name of the project, click on the yellow icon on top right corner of the screen. Here, in the white box, delete the name with the help of your backspace or delete key. And then write the new name, Sunny Day, Funny Day. Click on the tick button. Now click on the home icon to save the project. Here, you can see the project that we have just created. We learned to add a new background for the summer season to help our little friend Harry. Now, let's take a quick recap of today's session. In today's session, we learned to add a background for the summer season. Then we learned to add characters to it. We also learned to grow and shrink the characters. Later, we animated the sun. Are you curious to know about the next season? Well, Harry is as curious as you. Now let me give you a glimpse of the next season. In the next session, we will be creating a background and story animation for the rainy season. We will also learn about monsoons in India. Are you excited? Well, let's meet up in the next session.